if you want to enable voice control on iPhone 17e, you just have to open settings. Next, over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to accessibility. We're gonna scroll down in here a little bit, and then you should be able to eventually find the voice control option. So we're gonna go over here. Now, in voice control, we need to set it up first, but before we do that, we can also set up the language. We can also check commands over here, and we can also create our own commands, and also we can adjust the vocabulary. We can import vocabulary, but let's set it up. We're gonna tap over here. We can choose, of course, the language once again, and tap on continue once you are ready. Here we have a quick look at some of the commands. So as you can see, we can open and then the application name in order to open a specific app. You can also close the app like that. We can say go home, go back. And what is, I think, quite important is you can say stop listening in order to deactivate the listening by the voice control. All right, so once you familiarize yourself with these commands, we can tap on done. And now we can, of course, keep saying things out loud in order to activate something. So let's say I'm gonna say go home. And there we go. As you can see, it detects pretty much immediately. Open settings. It works pretty well. There is also this tutorial that I can recommend you checking out in case you have trouble with using the voice control. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.